Hi, the bulk ordering tool is designed to make it fast and easy to place large orders directly at mwcomponents.com. Whether you've just got a few part numbers or hundreds, this tool streamlines that process. First, you'll log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll click the cart icon in the top right corner. Here, you'll see the option to add items in bulk. Click to begin. On the bulk ordering page, you'll see multiple ways to add your parts. The first field is the manual entry. You can type part numbers in directly. It also automatically suggests matching parts to make your selection easier. And you'll add your quantities to the right. You can also add more items below. After entering your order or your part numbers, you can click Next, and it'll take you to the cart where you can view if these parts need to be configured or if you can simply just check out from there. The next method would be copy and paste in this field. You simply have part numbers, comma, quantities. The example is right there, and you can paste and proceed by clicking Next. And this, you'll see that configuration is needed for some items. And so, some others you can simply add to cart. After clicking the different things to complete what you are needing and adding to cart, it will proceed and let you know what will be needing to get quoted. And by that, you can simply check out that quote and it'll send it to the site for them to quote and return. Other parts will just automatically be added to your cart so you can check out. It tells you at the top you have three pending items in the quote request, and the remaining you can simply check out and proceed. To view your quote request, you click that button, you'll enter your information and submit the quote, and it'll go to the site. The last option for the bulk ordering is going to be uploading a CSV file. Here, you'll click that. You can download the template. It follows suit with part number and quantity. And here you can simply just copy and paste into the Excel file. Save it, and then you'll be able to upload that. You'll choose your file, open, and upload. It'll ask you to confirm your CSV data. This will take you into your cart. It'll show you again which parts are ready just to order and which parts need configuration. We'll send that back into that quote request. That's it. The bulk ordering tool is the fastest way to get large parts into your cart, whether you're reordering, building quotes, or uploading a full list of new parts. Thank you.